leg.
No way! You built him a new tail? So he's gonna be able to fly without you.
Mm-hmm. Well, good morning, Mr. Bossy.
Huh. I thought it was bigger.
You think?
I have to say, the beaches are a bit of a disappointment.
Well, I'm gonna go spread some more holiday cheer. You're amazing!
How did you
I
manage?
found him in the woods. He was shot down and wounded.
We're dead. We are older, stronger, braver, and in some cases, wiser.
What? I am not leaving this S behind.
Like I said, in some cases.
Shingle again? Didn't we have roofing material for dinner last night? Toothless! You're pouting, big baby poo!
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... what? Okay. Ah! Yeah. Oh!
You really think this net's gonna hold Toothless?
Well, if it doesn't, Meat Lug can always sit on him.
Yeah. Well, crazy thing is,
I'm actually the one who shot him down. That's really not how I remember it.
Oh, so now you're all about remembering things.
I don't even know how to answer that. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile. We'll try this on. Feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse?
oh no, you are not getting away. Ah, okay, you win, you win. You always win.
So, what should we name it? Itchy armpit it is.
Go ahead, here we go. Ow, why would you do that?
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.